I refused to give up my seat for a pregnant lady on the subway. Am I in the wrong? After a brutal 36-hour shift at the hospital, I decided to take the subway home instead of driving, fearing I might get into an accident from sheer exhaustion. It was late and the subway was packed, but by some miracle, I found a seat. I set an alarm for my stop and dozed off, hoping to survive the ride home. A few minutes later, I was startled awake by someone shaking me. It was a heavily pregnant woman, asking if I could give up my seat for her. Normally, I wouldn't think twice, but my legs felt like they'd collapse if I stood. I apologized and explained I couldn't stand because I was too exhausted. She looked at me like I'd said something horrible and asked if I had a disability or illness. I told her I had just come off a long shift at the hospital. She then called me inconsiderate and a jerk. Another passenger eventually gave up their seat, but she kept glaring at me the whole ride. Other people on the subway shot me judgmental looks, but I was too drained to care or explain myself. When I got home and told my roommate, she said I was a huge a-hole and should have given up my seat no matter how tired I was. I get that being pregnant is tough, but after a 36-hour shift saving lives, doesn't my exhaustion count for something? I can't help but wonder, am I really the bad guy here? Or did the pregnant woman ignore that we all have our limit?